Here we have Aryas babies, 10 days old. They snuggle in a little pile. Trying to walk, aren't you? You're trying to walk. Oh, everybody's laying on you like a pillow. Arya is outside right now going potty, so I thought I would sneak in and take a quick video. I'll try not to make it too long because it takes HughesNet satellite internet forever to upload. They're pretty big puppies. You can see the size of my hand. And Tinsel's trying to move around. Their eyes should be opening up shortly, and they'll start walking with coordination. Right now they're just scooting and crawling. But when their eyes and ears open up and they start tooling about, that's when the fun really starts. Right now all they do is eat and sleep. Got at the bottom of that pile, didn't ya? Okay, well, I will go ahead and upload this. Give you a chance to see them and hear their little roars. And I'll take a video of Savannah's babies next. We'll try to add a video, if not every week, maybe every other week. Just depends on if people really enjoy the videos. I don't mind taking the videos, so if you enjoy them, you just let me know, and I'll keep adding them. But we'll sign off for now.